This practice exercise follows the episode about French breakfast. Now we are going to practice together. Imagine the following situation. You are in France, you walking into a bakery. I am the baker and you are the customer. But first, listen to the dialogue one time. And by the end of this exercise, you will be able to order bread in France. Bonjour, que souhaitez-vous ce matin? Bonjour, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Très bien. Vous la voulez bien cuite? Oui, je veux bien, merci. Très bien. Autre chose? Finalement, je vais aussi prendre un pain au chocolat, s'il vous plaît. Bien sûr. Voilà pour vous. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Merci, bonne journée. This interaction is very simple, but it is very typical in France, and I promise you'll need it at least once in your life if you plan on visiting France someday. The one thing you have to keep in your mind is, in a bakery, people often say, bonjour, je voudrais, merci, bonne journée. These expressions are very important in everyday life in France. That's the minimum behavior you have to have. You can't go anywhere, let alone a store, without saying bonjour. It's meaning literally hello. Now we are going to repeat together. I will say the sentences and then you repeat it out loud. Try to pronounce the words as clear as possible. Let's begin. Bonjour. Bonjour. Que souhaitez-vous ce matin? Que souhaitez-vous ce matin? Bonjour. Bonjour. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Très bien. Très bien. Vous la voulez bien cuite? Vous la voulez bien cuite? Oui, je veux bien, merci. Oui, je veux bien, merci. Très bien. Autre chose? Très bien. Autre chose? Finalement, je vais aussi prendre un pain au chocolat, s'il vous plaît. Finalement, je vais aussi prendre un pain au chocolat, s'il vous plaît. Bien sûr. Bien sûr. Voilà pour vous. Voilà pour vous. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Merci, bonne journée. Merci, bonne journée. Now, we are going to do the dialogue again. But this time, you are the customer and I'm the baker. Answer out loud. If you need help, you can go back and listen to the dialogue again at the beginning. So, let's start. Bonjour, que souhaitez-vous ce matin? Vous la voulez bien cuite? Très bien. Autre chose? Voilà pour vous. Merci, bonne journée. Yeah, you did it. Very good. If you answer out loud, you just practice a real life situation in France. And honestly, little by little, your French will become more natural. Keep listening, repeating, and practicing. That's the only way to get better. And even me, I try every day with English. Because I'm not a native, I'm just trying to teach French. That's why I have to have a good level in English. And I swear I spend my all weekend to listen to podcasts in English and practice in everyday life. And honestly, I know it's a little bit tricky exercise and very weird. And I know how much difficult it is to try to listen and understand and practice at the same times when you are not a native. I know, I understand exactly what you feel at the moment. But the only way to improve is to practice and listening. So keep going. And if you want more exercise, you can also practice on my website with the quiz and the full dialogues. It's just a quiz I made free. It's a free, everything is free. I took a lot of time to do it. So please go check out and try to improve yourself with this kind of exercise. And I tell you, see you in the very soon on Minute French. That was a pleasure to me to do this little exercise. See ya!